So here is the beautiful and luxurious living space. So this is the beautiful luxurious kitchen. It's very spacious. So this is our very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and today's video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Austin Namaste, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamudi, Pune, and is developed by Austin Realty. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location of this project, and right behind me is the sales office of this project, and right in front of me is Gaunje Road that connects you to Gaunje Bridge. But before we go ahead with this project, first I need to tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike any other current listing platforms where your number is shared with multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builder. That means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home now through the developers with Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of Project 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel, 5 towers with ground plus 22 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location of this project. Right now I'm standing on the Gaunje Road, and right in front of me is the sales office, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamudi, Pune, with Mumbai-Bangalore Highway 1.8 kilometers, Symbiosis University 2.5 kilometer, and Mukai Chowk bus stop 3.8 kilometer. Now let's discuss the amenities of this project with the help of Project 3D model. This project has luxurious amenities with the likes of net cricket, kids play area, multi-purpose court, clubhouse, party lawn, temple, and many more. So as you can see, we are standing at a 3 BHK sample flat with 917 square feet carpet area. So here you get a video door phone for security purpose, and as you enter over here, you get this entrance lobby, and here you can set up your shoe rack and decorative items. Now let me show you the living space and the dining space. So here is the beautiful and luxurious living space. Here you can set up your couch, and right over here you can set up your TV unit. And right over here you get a balcony attached to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings, and 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is the beautiful dining space. Here you can set up your dining table and have your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. And also on my right side, you can set up your beautiful temple over here. Now let me show you the kitchen place. So this is the beautiful luxurious kitchen. It's very spacious, and we have L granite platform. And also we have a dry balcony, and here you can set up your washing machine and other utilities. We also have a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. So now let me show you our first bedroom, which is also called as the guest bedroom as per the butterfly concept. So here you get a lot of walk-in space over here. And over here you can set up your bed, and you also get a window attached to it, which also has a sitting area. You also get a bathroom attached to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings, and designer vitrified tiles. You can also attach your wardrobe over here. Now let me show you our second bedroom. But before I show you the second bedroom, we also have a common washroom over here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings, and designer vitrified tiles. And we also get a common wash basin over here. So this is your second bedroom. And over here you can set up your bed. You also get a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. Now I'll be showing you the master bedroom. But before I go ahead with the master bedroom, first let me tell you what does Housey provides you. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site to visit today through Housey. Now I'll be showing you the master bedroom. So this is our very spacious master bedroom, and as you can see we have a lot of walk-in space over here, and over here you can set up your bed, and we also have a balcony attached to it which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and 3-side cover. And over here you can set up your wardrobe, and also you get a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And also we have a master washroom attached to it which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Austin Namaste, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamudi, Pune, and is developed by Austin Realty. So please do like, share and subscribe our Housey's YouTube channel, and also do visit www.housey.com for more such videos and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.